If A less than or equal to B means either A is equal to B or A less than B. A greater than or equal to B means either A greater than B or A equal to B. I repeat, A less than or equal to B means either A is equal to B or A less than B. A greater than or equal to B means either A greater than B or A is equal to B. If A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C. I repeat, if A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C. It is as simple as 2 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 8, then 2 is less than 8. If A is less than B, then AC is less than BC, provided what? C must be a positive quantity. Let us take a simple example. 3 is less than 5. 3 into 2, 6 is less than 5 into 2, 10. I repeat, 3 into 2, 6 is less than 5 into 2, 10. So this is about AC less than BC when A is less than B and C is a positive quantity. AC less than BC is only when C is a positive quantity. What happens if C is a negative quantity? Let us take a same example. 3 is less than 5. 3 into minus 1 is not less than 5 into minus 1. Rather, it is greater than 5 into minus 1. That is, minus 3 is greater than minus 5. So that means to say, A less than B always implies AC greater than BC if C is a negative quantity. I repeat, A less than B always implies AC greater than BC if C is a negative quantity. So when it is positive, AC is greater than BC. If negative, AC is less than BC. I repeat, A less than B, then AC less than BC if C is a positive quantity. A is less than B, then AC greater than BC if C is a negative quantity. What happens if C is equal to 0? If C is equal to 0, AC is equal to BC is a wrong statement. You can think yourself and tell. What is the reason for this? Let us take a simple example. 2 is less than 4. 2 into 0 is equal to 4 into 0 if you say. By cancelling 0 and 0, we can say 2 is equal to 4, which is meaningless. Anyway, this you are going to study in your future classes, and this is a matter of common sense. Anybody can understand this. And anyway, please make a note of all these things once again. A less than or equal to B, then either A less than B or A equal to B. If A less than B and B less than C, then A is less than C. If A less than B, then A plus M is less than B plus M, where M belongs to R. If A less than B, then MA is less than MB for M positive. MA is greater than MB for M negative. If A less than B and C less than D, then A plus C less than B plus D and A minus D less than B minus C. If 0 less than A and less than B, A power x is less than B power x if x positive, and A power x is less than B power x if x negative. If 0 less than x less than y, then A power x is less than A power y if A greater than 1, and A power x is greater than A power y if 0 is less than A and less than 1. Please note, the inequality sign reverses if both sides are multiplied by a negative number. That is, if A less than B, this implies minus A is greater than minus B. If A and B both are positive or negative, then if A less than B, this implies 1 by A is greater than 1 by B. A plus 1 by A is always greater than or equal to 2 for A greater than 0, and equality holds for A is equal to 1. A plus 1 by A less than or equal to minus 2 for A less than 0,